Hey, what's up guys? Ahmed again, A to Z Auto Masters. Welcome back. Today we got this 2004 Toyota Sienna. Came in with a check engine light with the code P0430. That's usually an indication of catalytic converter bank 2 efficiency code. So after diagnosing, we find out that the cat is bad, and I'm gonna show you how to change the catalytic converter in bank 2 in this car. Okay guys, so we're under the hood. Basically, bank 2 in this car is here, bank 1 is in the back. So we'll be doing this cat. I already took the heat shield off. There's 3 10mm bolts, one here, one down here, and one down this way. Just get them out. Heat shield comes off. And just basically make sure you soak all these bolts with like a liquid wrench or WD-40, because they rust a lot. So these bolts always rust, so make sure you spray them. We have 6 nuts in here that we're gonna have to take out. Okay guys, so we basically have all 6 nuts out of the way. It's a very simple job. The whole cat is loose. We're just gonna have to disconnect the auto sensors. Okay, we'll get this air vent out of the way to get to the plug, auto sensor plug. Okay, auto sensor plug is right here. And unplug the sensor harness from that bracket down here. Now this auto sensor comes out loose with the bracket. Okay. Now we'll just hold this by one nut here. And we raise up the car to disconnect the 2 nuts on the bottom. Okay guys, so we're under the car now. We got these two 14mm nuts that holds the cat to the downpipe here. Okay guys, so we're back up top here. There's this bracket down here. It's actually broken from the old one. We have to take the bolt, this bolt, just to get the bracket out. We'll take the cat off first. We don't really need to take this off right now because it's broken in this car. So basically you're just gonna take this nut off that was holding the cat. Slide the cat out. Out. Of course, we're going to change both gaskets, and this bracket down there we can take it out now. Okay, so we got the original Toyota parts here. That's the original gasket. second one on the bottom. And that's the cat. Now the new gasket. Okay guys, so now took the bracket out, new gasket up top. We need to remove the bottom gasket. That's it, that's all it takes. Here we go. Good, now put these nuts back by hand. Okay, so we put, it's kind of snug to hold everything for us until you put the rest on. Okay, all 6 nuts are tight. Okay guys, so the cat in place. I'm replacing, we always recommend changing the auto sensor if you put a new cat. And the oil filter was actually out because I'm doing an oily change on it. It's not because of the cat. Okay guys, so we're done here now. We got the new gasket in place. I'm just gonna slide this in. Make sure it's tight. You crush this gasket in between, so won't leak. Okay guys, so we got the new auto sensor, the original Denso. Don't forget to put the anti-seize on the threads. By the way, that's an air-fuel ratio sensor. It's not a regular sensor. They're usually expensive. Okay, plug it back. And make sure the wiring harness goes back in place. And now time to put this heat shield back. Okay guys, so we put the heat shield back. Okay guys, basically the job is done. We're gonna have to start the car and make sure there's no leaks, no exhaust leaks. Okay, looks good, sounds good.
Just let it run for a few minutes. Make sure you burn all the coating on the new cat.
It's gonna smoke for a little bit, that's normal.